as soon as you walk into the front door, you see this little entryway here. Right here is a coat closet. It is, I think, the same size as our other one. Might be a little bit bigger, which is great for miscellaneous things and coats. And then this is where a lot of magic is gonna happen for some of my cleaning videos. I have an actual laundry room. I've never in my life had an actual laundry room. This is a first for me, so I'm so excited. I wanna make it cute and practical. I could even store some things over on this side, so this is gonna be awesome. So you come into the living area from the entryway, and it is laid out a little bit funky, I'm not gonna lie, but I think we can make it work really cute. This is gonna be the living room. We're gonna put the couch here with the rug, and then we're gonna put the TV stand over here with the TV on the wall. I think that'll look really cute. And then on into here is where we can either just make a sitting area or put a dining table. We're really considering getting a dining room table or a dining table, which is something we haven't really had in a while, so that would be kind of nice. Our bar stools will go here at this giant island. I'm in love with this island. It's so big and so pretty. And then here is our kitchen. Same exact appliances that we had in the other place. Pretty much this area is laid out the same. Pretty much it's the same. And then over here is our pantry. Is this the same size? I think this is the same size as our other pantry. I do want to get a door hanger. You can get some like hanging shelves just to add some more storage in your pantry. So we have to look out for that. I'll probably get that off Amazon or something like that. But that's the pantry. Over here is really exciting to me. This is going to be our hub for working. This is where I'm going to edit my videos, keep all of our electronics and things like that. I do want to make it cute. I'm going to put some like decorations on the shelves in addition to like the work things. But this is where the magic's going to happen for the YouTube channel. It's where I'm going to get my work done. We just need to get a cute desk chair. So now we're going to go on into the bedrooms. This cute little archway is the bedrooms. This is going to be the kids' room. This is where Emerson's going to sleep and eventually the new baby's going to sleep. I love the windows. There's 4 windows that let in a lot of natural light, and we also have just lots of like wall space for the kids' things. So we might end up putting a crib on this wall. We're probably going to put a crib here and on this wall over here. And then through here is a very large walk-in closet. Emerson doesn't have a walk-in closet in her other bedroom. So this is going to be awesome for the 2 kids' clothes and things like that.
That will be really nice.
Yeah. This is just a utility closet. It's locked. Well, it will be locked.
Yeah, I'll make sure they get the taken care.
Okay. And then this is the guest bathroom, aka the kids' bathroom. And what I like about this is that there is a bathtub in here. In our current apartment that we're moving out of, the bathtub is actually, well, it's a stand-up shower, the glass shower, you guys have seen it. And Andrew and I end up taking a shower in there, and then Emerson uses our bathroom. It's just not ideal. So I'm really excited that they have a bathtub in here. I'll probably end up taking my baths in here too. And then come on in here. Behind the door is this really cute built-in shelf thing that I can store some towels and put bins and make it a cute little extra storage space. Then the last thing is our bedroom, our master bedroom. I wish it had a little bit more natural light. It is a little bit dark in here, but it's still very roomy, and I like how it's laid out as opposed to the one that we're in now. We're going to put the bed here with our nightstands. On this side, we're going to put our dresser with the TV up on the wall. And then go ahead and show them the ceiling. There's no ceiling fans, so we're going to have to get those because in Charleston, there is just no way you could not have a ceiling fan in your bedroom. And that'll also add some extra light. And then here is the bathroom. I think this bathroom is super cool. Here's the toilet over in this area. There's a big space here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna fill that or what I'm gonna do here, but there's a lot of room over here. Here is the vanity. I don't know why they didn't put double sinks. They definitely have room for that, but oh well, it's okay. And then we have lots of storage under the cabinets, so be on the lookout for some organization of how I do under the sinks, because I don't think I did that in the last video, but I'm excited to do that the last apartment, but I'm excited to do it this go around. And then here's the shower / bathtub. This is where we'll take showers. I'm just excited that like we'll get to use our own bathroom, which is nice. And then we have this giant walk-in closet. At least it's giant to me. It's a lot bigger than our other one over here. We'll probably put our shoes. And then there's just lots of shelves and lots of space. And come on in and I'll show you behind the door. Behind the door is just more, I mean, there's just so much room in here. So I think that's super cool. I'm in love. And then the last thing I'll show you is another built-in behind the door for towels and things like that. So I can't wait to make that really cute. All right, let's come on in here. All right, now I'm going to show you the balcony. We have a giant balcony. It is bigger than our other balcony was. So I can't wait to make this super cute. And then this is the selling point of this apartment for me. We have a giant storage closet that I'm going to put all the Christmas stuff that was on our patio previously. I'm going to put all that in here. Andrew's been using his car for storage, so I can go ahead and put that in there and just shut the door and have the rest of the balcony look cute for once, and we'll get some patio furniture and stuff like that. So, yay! So that was our empty apartment tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed getting a little glimpse of the new place that we're going to be living at. I'm so excited. I can't wait to move us in, get us settled, and then start filming our everyday lives and filming more cleaning and organization videos, because I know that you guys really like those. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already so you don't miss any of the videos coming up in this new place. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. You want to be in the video?
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see